Did you know that the secret to long, thick, and shiny hair might be sitting in your kitchen right now? That's right. It's the humble onion. You've probably heard of onion juice for hair, but today I'm going to show you how to turn it into a powerful homemade onion hair oil that can boost growth, reduce hair fall, and give your hair that gorgeous shine. Stick around to learn how to make this natural hair miracle. Your hair will thank you later. All right, the first step is gathering our simple ingredients. You don't need to go on a shopping spree to make this magic happen. Here's what you'll need. 1 large onion, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, or olive oil if you prefer. A small bottle to store the oil. That's it. Simple, natural, and affordable ingredients you probably already have at home. Now, let's get the star ingredient ready. The onion. Start by peeling and chopping the onion into small chunks. The finer, the better. The reason we're using onion juice is because it's packed with sulfur, which boosts collagen production, an essential factor in hair growth. This juice will help nourish your hair follicles and stimulate growth. Grate it, or use a juicer to extract the juice. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can blend it and strain the juice through a fine cloth or sieve. Next, let's prepare the oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to a pan and heat it on low. Coconut oil is not only amazing for deep conditioning, but it also helps the onion juice infuse into the oil. You can also use olive oil for its lighter texture, but coconut oil adds that extra nourishing touch. Once the oil is slightly warm, carefully add in the onion juice and stir it well. We'll let this simmer on low for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want the oil to get too hot or burn the nutrients in the onion juice, so keep an eye on it. After about 5 to 7 minutes, take it off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This will ensure that we lock in all the goodness of the onion juice without losing any benefits. Once it's cooled, strain the oil to remove any solid bits. Now that we have our homemade onion hair oil ready, it's time to apply it. Gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 10 minutes. The massaging action will improve blood circulation to your hair follicles, helping to boost hair growth. Plus, it feels so relaxing. Onion oil is known to help reduce hair fall, fight dandruff, and even tackle premature graying. Regular use of this oil can leave your hair feeling stronger, shinier, and more voluminous. Here's a pro tip. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary to enhance the fragrance and boost the benefits for your hair. Just a few drops will do. And that's it. Your very own homemade onion hair oil, ready to work its magic. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm sure you'll start noticing the difference soon. Remember, natural ingredients take time, but the results are always worth it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY hair care tips. Drop a comment below if you've tried onion oil before, or if you have any questions. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more hair care secrets.